So a while ago I did a little poll on a community post on the Rusty Scale show asking which aircraft should I build for this very big Instagram group build called Vietnam War GB 2024. You guys voted for the OV-10 Bronco, this ICM kit. And one thing I noticed when I was checking on the sprues is like the wheels were not that great. I mean, the rest has very cool details. The surface is great. There are a lot of surface details and stuff. But the wheels? So I wrote an email to Andri from ResKit. And I asked him, hey Andri, look at these wheels, man. They're not too exciting. Don't you have something? Can't you help me out with, some cool accessory wheels? And yeah, he did. So he sent me a wheel set for the Bronco and also a 300-gallon fuel tank. The wheels are always a very special part of the build. I love the wheels. I don't know. I love hand painting the wheels, and in the end, the wheels are just a very special part, which I really like. Oh yeah, by the way, here is I think it's a 150-gallon fuel tank from the original kit, and that's the one Andri sent me, the 300-gallon one. It's of course in 172 scale, exactly fitting to the model. It comes with its own decal sheet. Now look at this. Nice instructions just to put it together. It's actually easy. It's not a big thing to put it together. And the details are very beautiful on this one, especially the structure, the surface structure, and all these small details. You could never have this in the original kit like that, this amount of details. It has the recessed panel lines. It's great. It's great. It also comes with the center pylons, very, very small parts in 172 scale. But yeah, eventually I could make them fit. So I think this is a very good way to pimp up my build for this very big group build on Instagram, the Vietnam War GB 2024. And I was very lucky to receive these sets. Thanks again, Andri. You're the best. That was very cool. Now I have an individual touch to my Bronco. Now, what I really like with additional wheel set is that you have the wheel rim and the tires, they are separate. So you can paint them separately, you can gloss or flat coat them separately, because I want to have the wheel rim, they're made out of metal. So the entire painting process to me is different. Because, yeah, the tires are rubber, so I will paint them a little bit different than I would paint the wheel rims. And it starts with the very first step, with the primer. For the wheel rims, I use the black gloss primer. So as always, half of the content is my video and the rest are your comments. So please leave a comment down there in the comment section. Did you ever work with some accessory ResKits? So please leave a comment, let us know down in the comment section what were your experiences using any accessory ResKits, wheel sets, or maybe any other type of accessory item like this 3D printed 300-gallon fuel tank. Please let me know, what do you think about beautiful accessory ResKits? Thanks a lot. The wheels, on the other hand, I just primed them with a gray primer, which dried flat. So now I will apply the AK Rubber Black acrylic paint onto that flat surface of the gray primer. Now here, on the other hand, completely different case. These are the rims. I primed them with the gloss black primer, and now I will apply the Vallejo off-white acrylic paint over it. Now for the kit, I also have a masking set, a clear prop masking set for the ICM kit. It provides masks for inside and outside the canopy. But here I just need this only one for the wheel. Actually, it's the front wheel because the wheel rim and the tire is not does not come in two separate pieces. It's already in one piece. So I just used these masks. I have to say, masks are perfect here. And I just cut out a spare piece of the masking sheet just to completely mask the wheel all around. So I will put the link in the description of the video directly to the website of ResKit, where you can find these two accessory ResKits. I'm not paid for doing this, not at all, but I just would like to provide you these links because, yeah, you know, I'm a good guy. Andre is a good guy, he sent me this. I'm also a good guy because I will leave the link in the description of the video. You can directly head over there and check it out. It's not expensive at all. The quality is very good and you will add some special extra kick to your beautiful model. So these are the finished painted tires. Now we just lay down a coat of matte varnish, Vallejo acrylic matte varnish, to get them ready to do some weathering. And for the weathering, I got my AK weathering pencils out one more time. For once, I mean, like I didn't use them for quite some time because you need to have a flat coat to apply them. And yeah, lately I just did a lot of satin coats and no flat coated models. But here, of course, the tires are completely flat coated. So yeah, I used sand. I used the buff color and the rain marks color. Always applied it. I did a dry application. So I just painted on and then blend it in with the brush and get rid of the excess. After I did this on all the 3 tires, it was time for some pigments. And I used my favorite Revell pigment set. It's a very, very simple set, but I kind of love it. Somehow, these are all the colors I need. I also bought some additional pigments, crazy colors and stuff like that, but I almost never, ever use them. So, yeah. For pigments, you just need a few, the right colors. You don't need many colors, you need the right ones, and you can combine them. That's what I did here. I combined mud green and sand pigments, and also did the dry application on the tires. Just brush it into the surface a bit, and then blend or clean the surface with a flat brush. And here is the photo. That is actually from the photo shooting for the thumbnail of this video. These are the finished wheels, complete wheels. Actually, it was easy to do it. It was really fun to do it. I could paint the wheel rim separately. I could paint the tires separately. I'm very happy with the result. So I really think that wheel sets like this, accessory wheel sets like this, with this high quality and low price, they can really help your modeling mojo. You know, sometimes the modeling mojo is a bit down and you're not that motivated. And if you want to see something else that can really improve your scale modeling mojo, check out this video I'm showing you right now because it might be interesting for you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.